Hey, this is Lego Fanatic 7, and I'm also Minecraft Fanatic 7 because I'm doing Minecraft videos. This is my second video of how to survive your first night in Minecraft. In today's episode, I'm just gonna go mining. And the first episode I found this. No. Come on, pig. It's time to mine. Fucking like what you know about when a bird back. Okay, so we're gonna break out the oh, sorry. Okay, just get a watch. Okay. Stop. Oops. It's hard to do this. 1, 2, 30. Oh, and I got some more plates.
Okay. Anybody want to go to the lacrosse field with me?
Cool. To do what?
Bring Mom money. You want to come with?
Nah.
Okay, bye.
I don't want to go to the cross field just to give Mom money. It's weird. Stupid. Whoa, it's like a little jungle here. Jungle. So let's just go walk. Good thing I had an apple. Rum, num, 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 num. Okay. Okay. Oh, and when, at the end of the video, I kind of went and got some sheep and I got 3 wool, 3 planks. So you're going to need 3 wool, 3 planks to make a bed and just tap. There's the bed. You can only see that. But, silent message, you can only sleep at night. So, can't sleep right now. So, we're just gonna go mining. Let's go mining. Oh, wait. I have no. Okay. Oops. Turning nighttime. Let's go to sleep. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, sorry. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Please. Please. Yay, we're going to bed. Okay, so let's just go mine for some diamonds. Well, not really. I'm going. Okay. So let's make a iron pickaxe. This is an iron pickaxe. We're gonna use our stone pickaxe right now to do this. Wait, I hate this. Da-da. Let's see how fast we can find gold. Okay. I see some gold. Indeed. Are you serious? It only went so deep. Books down. Okay, so we're going mining for some diamond another day. We'll go mining for some diamond another day. Whoa. Bang. Pretty cool. So we went some mining a little bit. We found some gold, so let's cook it up. Cook up that gold. Gonna make up some gold boots. Make gold boots. So let's cook and just like go, adventure or something. Oh yeah, we need to make a sword. That's what we need to do. We need to make some sticks first. Oh. So, got some gold butter. Get some butter. This is butter. Actually, it's gold. I just like to call it butter sometimes. Well, Sky does. Sky's the maker of butter. Sky does Minecraft's the maker of butter. So we're gonna go to gold boots. Gonna make some butter boots. It's gonna be all messy on my feet though. Who cares? Look at me. Yeah. My gold boots. Golden boots. My butter boots. And you'll see there's man right there. I was just like, okay. Fight off with an axe. I can't hit you. What? Yay. Okay. Let's see. Is my thing ready? Yeah, I was cooking anything. Whoa, go around town. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go mine. Are we? We are, right? Maybe in episode 3 we'll find some. Maybe just one. Okay, so let's just go kill that pig. Hey, run. Run as fast as you can. Can't run away from me. You're the pig, man. You're too slow, you're pig. Clay, please. Okay, then. Do we have a shovel? No, we don't have a shovel. Man. I'm gonna make a shovel. Oh, dang it. Okay. Wait. We just need one. Okay. Oh, wait. Let's just... Oh, wait, there's an enemy. So this is Minecraft Fanatic 7, also known as Lego Fanatic 7, also known as Minecraft Fanatic 7. This is episode 2 of how to survive your first night in Minecraft. So bye.